Good day everyone, I am Nimbert F. Garcia from Bayanon dos Calapan City. I am first year of Mindoro State College of Agriculture and Technology and currently taking Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, major in Electronics. Now I am going to perform some logic gates and I hope you will finish the video and understand something on it. Thank you. This time what I'm going to do is to find the output of the combination of these two logic IC, which is the 74LS86 and the 74LS, hindi mabasa, it's a 08, where the diagram is shown above and the components used are two 150 ohms and two 1K ohms. Since I don't have any 1K ohms of resistor, I use 10K ohms of resistor. Then 2 LED and wires. Now let's go to the mounting of every component. First, what you can see on the diagram is I'm going to just first connect all the pins. Pin 1 of 08 and 86, pin 2 of 86 and 08. Remember, this is the 74LS86 and this is the 74LS08. And then the connection of BCC for our positive supply there, and also our two pin 7 connections there. It's done. Connection of pin 1, connection of pin 2, and the connection of pin 7 in the pin 14 or the BCC there. Next is the 10K resistor. 10K resistor or which is connected to the negative into our pin 1 and pin 2 and to the on negative there, and the other one for pin 1 into the negative supply there. Check for connection. And then next for our output, which is all connected to our pin 3. First we are going to connect the output of this 74LS86, which is pin 3, and then I have lined its output there. Okay. And another one, pin 3 and its output there, and their indicators, the LED, which is also the anode part of the LED, is connected to the other pin of our resistor there, and the cathode is directly connected to our negative supply. Also the other one for the 7486, the anode and cathode there. And the connection of plus BCC there for pin 12 both pin 12 in connection to the positive supply. There. And then for our pin 7, who is connected to our negative supply. Okay, you can remove this and first put this to our negative supply. And our LED is back there. For the checking connection, LED resistor output, both LED in pin 1 and pin 2, LED again to the output of 74 LS08, the pin 7 in the negative, and the pin 14 to the positive supply. Then let's add the switch. The switch 1 is connected to our pin 1. Since they are connected and there is no space, we can move to this pin 1, switch 1, and the pin 2 is for switch 2. There. And now let's add the supply. Let's add the supply for negative and positive. There. Before that, let's put this end of the switches here, and then the truth table will show there. That's the truth table for 74LS86 or the LED one. This is the LED one, and the 74LS08, which is for LED 2. This is the LED 2. It is light, then it means it is one of the basic logic gates. First, of course, let's do the 0, 0 or both in negative or low position. And the output of both LED is 0 or false or low. And then switch 1 to switch 1 to positive and switch 2 to negative. Switch 1 and switch 2 is in negative, or 1 0 or 0 1. I mean 0 1. This is the 0 1. 0 1. It means the LED 1 only is lightened or in true connection. And then inverse, the positive is in the switch 1 or in the 1, and the second switch is on low. There. And on again, only the 74LS86 output is lightened, as you can see now. For LS7486 is the truth table is 0 1 1, and for 08 is 0 all 0. And then lastly is their both positive connections, where is in 1 1 or in high position. Now there, it's only the 74LS08 is only lightened or in true output. There, as you can see now in our logic gate, the 74LS86 has the connection like on the other, or previous video I made, that it is an XOR gate, and the 08 is an AND gate. We're just in this connection or circuit, it only combine the switches or the connection of their switches, but they are also have different outputs. They are different indicator for their outputs. And that's all for now. Thank you.